And today we've just been at the insport series event in Dyffryn, Amman.
Yeah.
You came along and I looked around. What do you think about that?
Yeah, I think it's absolutely amazing that, you know, that this is available for people who, you know, who are bringing awareness and stuff like that. So, yeah, you know, because I think for many people who, obviously, you know, are in wheelchairs or something, I don't think there wasn't much awareness of them being able to do exercise. So to be having this in the community is amazing.
And having role models here as well for them.
I agree with you. It's great to see, you know, people from different national government bodies. Like we've had Scarlett here as well with a wheelchair like to be, and they were smashing into each other, which is fantastic. Did you manage to have a go at anything yourselves?
We did. We had to go at the basketball.
That was really fun.
Yeah, and I guess it's quite important for us to have a go as well.
Yeah.
Because we're coaching people who are in wheelchairs.
Put ourselves in their shoes.
Yeah, 100%. So, yeah, very fun.
Look forward to the future?
Yes.
Fantastic. Okay, thank you guys.
Thank you very much.